Hi there, hope you're doing good. So this is the file last you shared with me, and I have the email available for this. So let me have a test on this sheet that Alabama is working, but not the Tennessee. So what I've done, I have went into my Gmail and copy pasted the address from another a Gmail address which is already available in the email, and then I jumped back into the Alabama and changed this email address, postal address, which was already 5070 County Road 68 on this sheet, and same on the other sheet which was earlier 708 Croft Chapel Road, and I made those both of those same in here, and this one is auction, the other one is the auction as well. So I'm going to update this using the Gmail status update, and let's see if this status gets updated. This is uh this is something which I haven't made no change in the code, and I'm just testing it for both of the sheets. This should get updated, and this one should also get updated. Oh, this one is already done. So Tennessee has already been updated. Let's wait for this one. So it you can see this one is working fine, but you are not getting any visual confirmation. Maybe that is the part where you are missing the things and you are thinking that this might not be working. Maybe there is something which we are missing in the emails matching part, the search query part, which is different in Arnold's file or maybe in your email. So we need to work on that thing. So you can see the other one has also been changed. So the code worked on both of the sheets, on the Alabama and the Tennessee both. You can see it changed the status from this to this. Now what I can do, I can give you a pop-up that it's processing the file number one and it found this many addresses. And then I can give you another pop-up which will show, okay, it has processed the second file and second tab, and it found this many or maybe none. So I can give you this confirmation that might give you some satisfaction that yeah, it is processing both the sheets, but for some reason it is not matching the addresses. So let me do that part and continue this recording. All right, so let me take a different address at this time and test it with two. So I'll take this one. I'll keep this original address in here, and this is option as well. And this one is on Alabama. Let me use this same or maybe on this one so that I can change back the things. I can paste back the address which I entered in the notes. Okay, so now we have two addresses which need to be fetched, and we will get pop-ups from where we are getting the data processed for. So you can see now this is processing. Oh, okay. Give me one sec. I'm processing the sheet name and getting the sheet name later. So I need to move this line. All right. I'll jump back and okay, I think it is running in the background. It's making the changes. So the things that it is updating. All right. So let me have it tested one more time. So we have two addresses from which are available in our emails. These two, the Redbird 2305, 11 Redbird and 2305, both are of auctions in both the tabs. So I'll run the code, update the Gmail, and here it should pop up first that which file is being processed. So currently it's processing Tennessee weekly FC sales. And once it's done, it will give you the results for that first, and then it will process the other tab, These tabs are available in this sequence in here. So if you want to add more tabs to it, you can always add a comma and add more tabs. But I don't think so you need that. All right. So it made, oh, I think the pop-up, we missed the pop-up. Okay, it completed this. Let's wait for a while. Okay, so it completed the Tennessee. You can see, and it showed that there were two results matched. And now it started the Alabama weekly FC sales. One is done, and the other one is also done. So it found two matches. Now it's going to process all the addresses which are auction as well, and it's going to check for all the five conditions which we have already set up in the emails. So it will go through all these addresses, and then once complete, it will give you a pop-up that how many of these are being selected in the weekly, sorry, Alabama tab. So this is the exactly same file which you gave me. I just added few lines of code. No changes are being made in any of the tabs, so that you just need to replace the code only. Okay, here you can see it found two matching addresses. The similar pop-up would have been already jumped up for the Tennessee as well. So it's processing both the files, and I just showed you the example of that. I'm not sure what exactly how like maybe the addresses are not matching, and this is why it's showing that it seems to Arnold that it's not working for the Tennessee, but only for the Alabama. So I can't find the problem in here with my setup at least. Please help me out that if there is something different in Arnold's file or something, I don't know if the emails are different or the addresses are different, or we need to make some modification in the search criteria. So that is it from my side.